Hey, crypto-curious Canadians! I kept hearing about this new AI-driven crypto trading tool from friends, Reddit threads, even a few financial newsletters. So eventually, I gave in and tested it myself. And honestly, I didn't expect to be this impressed. If you've tried dipping your toes into crypto trading but got overwhelmed by clunky platforms or disappointing results, you're not alone. I've tried plenty too. Some looked promising at first, but ended up being all flash and no function. Then I found Immediate Neon, and it genuinely stands out. Unlike the typical trading apps full of hype and little substance, Immediate Neon is an intelligent, fully automated crypto trading platform, developed specifically with Canadian users in mind. What immediately caught my attention: it's simple to use. No prior experience needed. Here's the kicker. I've got access to an exclusive invite-only link. If you sign up through it, you unlock a special welcome bonus that's not available on their public website. It's only available for a limited number of early users, so don't wait too long. You'll find the link in the description. So, what makes Immediate Neon worth your time? First off, it's truly hands-free. The AI runs 24/7, scanning the crypto markets and making real-time trades for you. No monitoring charts, no need to make fast decisions. Whether you're a total beginner or just tired of manual trading, it makes the process effortless. And results? Many users are reporting daily returns between 150 and 400 Canadian dollars. And some even hit up to 70% profit in a month, depending on market movements. No platform can promise exact outcomes, but the automation here does the heavy lifting once you're set up. Security is rock solid too. Immediate Neon uses modern encryption, enforces KYC/AML compliance, and operates through a secure, cloud-based system. Your funds and personal data stay protected, so you can trade with peace of mind. Getting started couldn't be easier. It connects with major exchanges like Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase. Just link your wallet, activate the AI, and you're good to go. If you ever need help, Canadian-based support is available 24/7. That private invite link, it doesn't just give you access. It unlocks advanced features and the welcome bonus, giving you a stronger start right from day one. And here's the real edge. Immediate Neon doesn't rely on outdated signals. Its machine learning engine adapts in real time, becoming more accurate the longer it runs. It learns as it trades, so your strategy improves automatically. You're also not giving up control. You can customize your risk preferences, set stop-loss limits, and choose which crypto pairs to trade, while the system takes care of the rest. And yes, this is a legit, Canadian-focused platform, built by a team that understands the local financial space and puts user safety and simplicity first. They even offer live onboarding sessions to help you get started, which is rare in crypto. If you've been waiting for the right moment to step into automated crypto investing, this might be it. With smart automation, beginner-friendly tools, and rock-solid security, Immediate Neon turns crypto trading into something anyone can manage, on your terms. Click the link in the description, claim your bonus, and start growing your portfolio the smarter, automated way with Immediate Neon.